heart of Brazil's Serra Gaúcha region, nestled amidst the rolling vineyards of Bento Gonçalves, stood Casa JPP, a testament to thoughtful design and harmonious living. Zanesco Arquitetura, with a deep understanding of both the land and its inhabitants, had crafted a sanctuary for a family of three, a young couple and their small child. The flat terrain, a unique characteristic in this often undulating landscape, allowed for a distinctive approach, with the longest west-facing facade graciously greeting the street. The essence of Casa JPP lay in its deliberate consideration of the family's daily rhythms. Every window, every angle, and every material choice was a nod to maximizing sunlight and embracing the breathtaking local views. The house itself was a clever composition of three distinct volumes, each serving a specific purpose, yet all converging to embrace a central courtyard with a shimmering pool. This thoughtful arrangement fostered a sense of both intimacy and openness, catering to the varied needs of a growing family. Within this architectural embrace, the intimate spaces offered a tranquil retreat. A comfortable master suite and two additional bedrooms, sharing a well-appointed bathroom, were designed with generous openings. These large windows not only bathed the rooms in natural light but also forged a profound connection with the lush external areas, offering serene views of the neighboring vegetation. Parallel to the street, this private wing ensured a sense of seclusion, a peaceful haven away from the world. The social heart of Casa JPP, expansive and inviting, stretched along the north and south axis. Its privacy was subtly orchestrated by the positioning of the intimate wing, which acted as a gentle buffer from the street. The true welcome, however, emanated from the pool, centrally positioned and acting as the very soul of the design. It was more than just a place to swim. It was the magnetic center that drew all social areas together, a captivating first impression for anyone arriving at the house. Adjacent to this aquatic centerpiece and facing the street, a grand industrial kitchen, complete with a substantial dining table and ample seating, seamlessly flowed into a ballroom. This versatile space, designed for intimate gatherings, effortlessly adapted to different occasions and guest numbers. Distinguished by its striking slanted metal roof, which elegantly integrated the social areas and extended as an inclined veranda towards the ballroom's side door, Casa JPP was a masterclass in materials and flow. Inside, the warmth of natural wood floors and ceilings created an inviting ambience, while the consistency of a single tiled floor unified the service areas, bathrooms, and multipurpose spaces. Beyond its walls, Casa JPP was conceived as a living extension of its surroundings, naturally encouraging its residents to connect with the verdant gardens on all sides. Here, architecture and nature weren't merely neighbors, they were intrinsically linked, intertwined in a harmonious dance, each enhancing the beauty and functionality of the other.